How to increase media volume while in call. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to adjust media volume during the call. For that, while on a call, you can use the volume button on the side of your phone. And here you can select the three dots, and with the help of the slider, you can make sure to select media volume, not the call volume, by tapping the drop down menu if available. The next step is simply if do not disturb is enabled, it might suppress media sounds. So you can swipe down to access the quick settings, and then you need to turn off the airplane or do not disturb mode. Once done, you can increase the media volume while in call. Further, you can also use the volume boost settings if available. For that, you need to head towards your phone settings and then you need to check for sound and vibration option. Go ahead and look for volume boost or enhancement and enable it to improve the media volume. You can also change the ringtone and notification tones as well. And now you can lastly download apps like Volume Booster or Equalizer from Play Store to enhance media volume too. And that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.